Welcome to Nutri-Coach TV. Today, we will talk about groundnut. While groundnuts can be a part of a healthy diet in moderation, here are 10 reasons why consuming groundnuts every day may not be advisable. 1. Food allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to groundnuts, leading to allergic reactions ranging from mild discomfort to severe anaphylaxis. Daily consumption increases the risk of exposure for those with allergies. 2. High-calorie content. Groundnuts are calorie-dense and can contribute to weight gain if consumed excessively, especially if not balanced with other nutritious foods. 3. Weight management. Regular consumption of groundnuts without portion control can make it challenging to maintain a healthy weight, as their high-fat content can add significant calories to the diet. 4. Omega-6 fatty acids imbalance. Groundnuts contain omega-6 fatty acids, which, in excess, can disrupt the balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids in the diet. An imbalanced ratio is associated with inflammation and various health issues. 5. Aflatoxin contamination. Groundnuts are susceptible to aflatoxin contamination, a naturally occurring toxin produced by fungi. Consuming contaminated groundnuts daily can increase the risk of liver damage and certain types of cancer. 6. Impact on kidney health. Groundnuts contain moderately high levels of purine, which can contribute to the formation of uric acid. This may increase the risk of kidney stones and exacerbate kidney-related issues for susceptible individuals. 7. Anti-nutrients. Groundnuts contain certain anti-nutrients, such as phytic acid and lectins, that can interfere with nutrient absorption and digestion when consumed in excess. 8. Imbalance in nutrient intake. Relying heavily on groundnuts as a daily dietary staple can lead to imbalances in essential nutrients, as they cannot provide all the required nutrients in optimal proportions. 9. Potential for fungal infections. Groundnuts are prone to fungal infections and molds, which can develop in warm and humid conditions. Regular consumption increases the risk of ingesting contaminated groundnuts, leading to health complications. 10. Impact on mineral absorption. Certain compounds present in groundnuts can bind to minerals like zinc and iron, inhibiting their absorption. Regular consumption may lead to deficiencies if other dietary sources are not sufficient. It is important to note that the negative effects mentioned above are associated with excessive or uncontrolled daily consumption of groundnuts. When consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, groundnuts can provide several health benefits, including a source of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. As with any food, moderation and variety are key to maintaining a healthy diet. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, kindly follow Nutri-Coach TV on Facebook, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.